Hi students, welcome to the first video tutorial for Activity 155, the Pegboard toy. The Pegboard toy activity has several parts that must be completed and then an assembly that must be put together also. As a result, this activity will be split into multiple videos so that you can refer back to each one individually. This first video, will look at the round peg. The round peg being the first part that we're asked to create. Our directions tell us to open a new part file and create a round part 1 inch in diameter and 3 inches long. Now, because this activity has several parts and they'll be used as an assembly, I'm going to ask you to also create a new project for this in Inventor. So let's look at that first. To create a new project, you simply click up here in this corner where it says Projects, and down here in the bottom it'll say New. We don't need to change anything else. We're going to click New, and we're going to give it a single user project and project name. Let's call this the Pegboard. Pegboard. Don't want to get any fancier than that. We'll just say that. And we can click Next, but I don't think there's anything else we're going to change. We're not worried about libraries. That's way beyond what we're doing. So we'll just click Finish. Say OK to that window, and there's our pegboard. So we say Done. Notice over here under Projects that that's the project we're working on is the peg. Now we're ready to create a new part. So we just click on New Part. Right here, New Part. And our part is going to be a round peg. Now let's look at that. Did you look at it? Okay. So we're going to draw a circle that has a diameter of 1 inch. And then we will extrude that circle 3 inches, and we will name it round peg. So let's go back to Inventor. So Start New Sketch. I'm just going to use the XY plane. And I'm going to click on Circle. Grab the origin right here and drag out a circle close to 1 inch. Dimension, and change it to 1. Finish our sketch. I'm going to zoom out so we can see it and do an extrusion. It should see the circle, and our extrusion distance is 3 inches. By the way, did you know you can type it right here? Or you can type it down here in this little menu that floats around. A lot of people have the luxury of having 2 monitors, so they'll actually sometimes have these menus off on the other monitor instead of on their drawing space. That way you have plenty of room to draw. So anyway, 3 inches, and then green check mark, and we're done. We do need to save it.
Did you sign up for the Learning Lab for curriculum mapping and other data? I'll be having it in my office if you signed up for it. So you can join us.
My apologies, students. I apologize for the interruption there. So we're going to go to the Application menu, and we're going to click Save As. And we were told to save it as Round Peg. Click Save. Congratulations, you have finished the round peg portion of Activity 155. Please come back to visit the square peg video tutorial next.